Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be learning how to make banana pancakes. You heard me right. So if you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Here is the Let's Kitchen, where I divulge everything about food and kitchen tips. So if this is your first time and you're interested in what I do, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, to make banana pancakes, here are the ingredients to be used. First, we'll be needing our milk, our banana flavor, our sugar, our baking powder, our salt, eggs, banana, and of course our flour. Now, in a clean bowl, we're going to be breaking in our eggs. For this recipe, we're going to be using just 2 eggs. So breaking your eggs, and then we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. 4 tablespoons of sugar is what we are going to be using here. After having mixed everything together, that is, mix it together to combine, and after that you want to add your banana flavor to it. The reason why we're using banana flavor is to intensify the flavor of the banana into our pancakes. You will love it at the end of the day because it's going to be nose twisting. So after that, mix it well, and then you start to add your flour. After adding the flour, now you are going to be adding your baking powder. And for the baking powder, I used just 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and then I added 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding the salt, you're going to give it a good mix, guys. Make sure you mix it very well. Now, if you're satisfied with the texture, there's no need adding water. But if you're not satisfied, just go ahead to add a little bit of water to get your desired texture. So after mixing, you want to set that aside in order to peel and slice our banana. Now, you want to gently peel your banana and cut into desired sizes. After slicing your banana, you want to heat your pan up, add in your vegetable oil, and then you start adding the batter into the pan. Make sure you get that round circle. Make sure, or whatever shape you want, just add it as you wish, and then you start to arrange your sliced banana on the pancake. Arrange it and then allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you have to flip to the other side in order to cook on both sides. Remember to fry on medium heat in order to avoid it burning unnecessarily. Repeat the same process and fry until the whole batter is exhausted. Are you yet to subscribe to my channel? If you've not, please do hit the subscription button down below, and do not forget to turn on your post notification in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you very much. This is what we call mouth-watering and nose twisting. Until I come your way again, do hold on to this. And if you subscribe to my channel, you are the real VIP. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.